on our second date, Tori and I were going down a long escalator in Washington, D.C. in DuPont Circle to the Metro. And for some reason, I decided that was the perfect romantic place to have our first kiss. As I mustered up the courage to kiss her, she stepped down one step on the escalator. And so I stepped down one step, and then she stepped down one step, and I stepped down. It went like this for like 7 steps, and finally she stopped, and I leaned in and kissed her. And later I said, "Why did you keep walking away from me as I was trying to kiss you?" And she said, "I was trying to give you the height advantage, but you were determined to be short." From the very beginning of our relationship, Tori has always looked out for me. Even when I write speeches, she's my first reader, which is funny because she's a lawyer and I cannot at all help her with her job. But when I give her speeches, she always comes back to me with a few notes and 4 words: "You can do better." And she's usually right, except for today, because I cannot do better than her.
I still remember the day my mom and dad brought Cody home from the hospital. We were a quaint and quiet family of 7. And then, bam! After 5 moderately nerdy children, Penny and Steve created the ultimate super nerd and the world's first and only Cody Pomerantz.
He is as fearless as he is funny. And God help you if you get in an argument with him about right versus wrong or issues of integrity. Ever since he was a boy, he wielded his words as a saber without hesitation.
When I first met Cody in 2017, I was informed that they were hiring a new writer to help out with my job. When I told my wife Erin that they were bringing in a kid 10 years my junior and a Yale grad, no less, she said, "You need to crush him." Anyway, it turned out I wasn't training my replacement after all, like I feared. Not only did I get to keep my job, I soon found that I'd gained a good friend. We shared our experiences growing up in large families. I'm the middle of 5, which is why I really need all the attention I'm getting right now. Cody is the youngest of 6, which is why he always gets more attention than he deserves. And that's why we all need to work together to make sure today's celebration is more about Tori.
Tori is everything any little sister could want. She's strong, smart, kind, compassionate, and hilarious.
I'm always struck when I'm reminded that Tori is almost 10 years my junior, because she is wise, mature, and accomplished well beyond her years.
Soon enough, he broke down and introduced me and my wife Erin to Tori after a storytelling show. After the show, Erin and I got to know Tori for the first time over a few pitchers of margaritas. She was affable, smart, self-possessed, and quick to laugh. More importantly, she was profoundly patient with Cody, who would not stop complaining about the fact that the audience didn't appreciate his joke about starfish reproduction.
energy and capacity for both intense intellectual endeavors and fun seems to be boundless, and it's obvious to everyone who enters her orbit why Cody loves her so dearly.
I used to worry whether she'd ever find a partner that really deserved her. But then I met Cody. He is truly Tori's perfect match. I mean, here's a man that is a book lover and a storyteller. He's nearly as brilliant as Tori. Not to mention an amazing writer, and yes, a feminist.
Tori is whip smart. She has a perfect, nerdy, crazy, uncanny sense of humor to complement Cody's.
Tori said, "The thing that makes us work as a couple is that we're truly complementary pieces. I'm structured and organized. He's creative and passionate. I'm the COO of our operation. He's the head of neighbor relations." She said, "He's an incredible sap. He's unbelievably thoughtful, generous, and caring. He takes notes whenever anyone says they like something so he can give it as a gift later on."
We truly got to know Tori during the pandemic, when she came here to stay with us right here at Stonegate Farm. That was a particularly tough storm for everyone to weather, but under cloudy skies, I think we would both admit that, Tori, you were our silver lining.
Unlike Cody, I generally try to avoid public speaking, but I did not hesitate for one moment when Cody and Tori asked me to do this today. I said yes to pay back a fraction of the kindness, support, and love that Cody and Tori have shown me. I said yes because my daughter will call them Uncle Cody and Aunt Tori. I said yes for the same reason we were all gathered here today, to reflect back just some of the love that they have shown all of us, and that I'm sure they will continue to show each other every day as they embark on this new chapter together. You ready?
Stop barking.
I'll try.
Cody and Tori, by the power vested in me by the state of Kentucky, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Do you promise to always give one of your tried and true pep talks to Cody when he's going through one of his many bouts of anxiety?
I do.
Cody, do you promise to drop everything you're doing and dance with Tori the moment any song by Queen, ABBA, Merle Haggard, or Taylor Swift comes on?
I do.
Do you promise to care for, comfort, and cherish Tori every day from this moment forward? Do you promise to celebrate her successes and be there for her in times of struggle? Do you promise to be not just her spouse, but her partner, a true friend and confidant? Do you promise to keep his shelves filled with books and home filled with joy and heart filled with love?
I do.
Do you promise to keep her glass filled with wine and home filled with joy and heart filled with love.
I do.
High time now, gotta move my body to the earth's sweet sound. Gonna